Huawei is stepping back into the spotlight with not one, but two brand new smartwatches, and early adopters are in for some tempting pre-order deals. Launching globally on May 15th, the upcoming Huawei Watch 5 series will succeed the aging Watch 4 and Watch 4 Pro. With a refined design and upgraded features, it aims to reclaim its place among the best in premium wearables. But that's not all. Huawei is also replacing the fan-favorite Watch Fit 3, currently priced at around $135 on Amazon, with the sleeker and more capable Watch Fit 4. While the official reveal is just days away, Huawei has already given fans a reason to get excited. Stackable launch promotions that make upgrading even more enticing. One of the standout pre-order deals? Purchase a Watch Fit 4 Pro and get a free pair of FreeArc Open-Earbuds. These earbuds are designed with comfort and clarity in mind, perfect for workouts or everyday use. Plus, Huawei is offering an 8% discount voucher that can be redeemed until June 30th. All you need to do is sign up with your email to unlock the savings. So far, these deals are confirmed only in Europe, but it's safe to expect similar offers to appear in other regions, including the UK, as availability expands. With a strong legacy and refined design, the Watch 5 is expected to bring powerful health tracking, improved battery life, and seamless HarmonyOS integration, making it a top pick for 2025. And the Watch Fit 4? Lightweight, stylish, and smart. It's the ideal fitness companion for those who want performance without bulk. The countdown is on. Visit Huawei.com to learn more, sign up for early bird vouchers, and get ready for what might be Huawei's best wearables yet. Don't miss a beat. Hit subscribe for the latest updates on Huawei's launch and more wearable tech news.
Hold me close till I get up.